Hi everyone, I'm Adam from How To. Let's start. Coronavirus with immunity system in patch tool play. It is very funny and useful. So let's start. Let's open Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC 2020. Drag a picture. We will play today with the patch tool to support the immunity system facing coronavirus. The patch tool is very powerful and useful tool in Photoshop. So let's start. The patch tool selects just like the lasso tool. It got extra selection supportive tools here. The additional selection tool, subtraction selection tool, and intersection selection tool. We will start with the traditional one, which is just selects once. To add to our selection, we can use the additional selection tool to add to our selection, or if we need to subtract, we will go with the subtraction selection tool, or if we need to select the intersection part, we will go with the intersection selection tool. To remove it, just by pressing Ctrl D for Windows or Command D for Mac. We will go again with the traditional one. To add, we got some shortcuts. By holding Shift for Windows or Shift for Mac, we can add to our selection. By holding Alt for Windows or Option for Mac, we can subtract from our selection, or by holding Shift and Alt for Windows or Shift and Option for Mac, we can just select the intersection part. Great. Now we got two patches, the normal one and content aware one. We will go with the normal because it is very useful and efficient for what we will need. So we'll go with the normal one. We got the source and destination and the transparent. We will start with the source. We can just select item and drag it, and it's completely removed. Another one. It's great. You can use one from the edges. Just drag it till it is completely vanished. Great. Now we will go with the destination. Sorry, by pressing Ctrl D. Okay. It will duplicate. Okay, great. Oh my god, it's very bad. So we will undo by pressing Ctrl Z or Command Z, and we will check the transparent. And let's do it again. Very useful and very effective. Great. Now we got the texture, which is we can make any textures. But I think you may need it. We will undo it by pressing Ctrl Z. Great. Now let's destroy all the coronavirus. We have just supported the immunity system to defeat coronavirus using patch tool and some guns. I'm just kidding. But the patch tool is very useful and important, so you have to try it. And stay at home, be safe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye bye.